Good morning, respected assessors and fellow candidates. Today, I am going to speak on DRDO, the Defense Research and Development Organization. DRDO was established in 1958 under Department of Defense Research and Development, Ministry of Defense, Government of India. Its primary objective is to make India self reliant in defense technology, ensuring that the armed forces have state of the art weapon equipment and systems to secure national borders. Before DRDO, India largely dependent on foreign suppliers for defense equipment, which was both expensive and insecure. DRDO's creation marked the beginning of indigenous defense research in India. DRDO works across multiple domains including missiles, radars, combat aircraft, naval system, electronic warfare, armaments and life support system. Some of the most notable achievements include Agni and Prithvi ballistic missile series, the surface to air missile, and the light combat aircraft Tejas. DRDO has also developed tank, bulletproof vehicles, and body armors which protect soldiers during combat operation. During national emergency, DRDO has contributed to medical equipment, disaster relief technology, and protective gear, showing its contribution. DRDO's work ensures strategic autonomy, reduces dependency on imports, and strengthens India's national security and international defense stature. DRDO promotes scientific research and innovation in India, encouraging young scientists and engineers to work on the advanced technology. Its projects like ballistic missile defense system, unmanned aerial vehicle and smart weapon demonstrates India's ability to match global technological standards. In conclusion, DRDO is not just a defense organization, it is a symbol of India's scientific excellence, strategic strength, and self reliance. Its contribution enhance military capabilities, national pride, and technological innovation, making India more secure and respected in the world. Thank you.